highway department was a wonderful place to be. A lot of those individuals sacrificed. They were not high-paid people. They sacrificed a lot of time. Back then, we didn't have, we had compensatory time, and it was kind of watched pretty good. As a matter of fact, when I went to A&M, I got paid for 3 more months. I told them, since they were instrumental, I was going to give them 2 years of my life, and I gave them 2 years to the day, and changed positions and went with the Prescon Corporation. Okay. At which I spent 7 years there.
Oh, okay.
Following the Prescon Corporation, I joined what was called Raba and Associates. I became licensed as a structural.
Oh, really?
Yes. And still, my heart is in structure. I still like structures an awful lot. I have practiced in geotechnical, I have practiced in structural, and I have practiced in construction materials engineering and testing. That's right. And I wouldn't trade that for a minute, because going from the inspection and testing side of the house at TechStop into structural, it really was a condition of you can't make any mistakes in structural. It was our policy that all individuals seek license. All individuals participate, and that doesn't mean just be a member. That means participate.
Get involved.
You bet. I knew ASCE was a great place to be.
Yeah.
It gave me plenty of nourishment on technical information. It allowed me to network. It was just a great place. I did hold the position, every position, and moved through the ranks of that. Then became a state director, which again, that's a great thing to do because you start networking statewide, and it was just a strong. It's a strong move in one's life if they can do that. And I got many different speakers from across Texas and out of Texas, really, to come into A&M to speak, because I read publications from American Concrete Institute, various publications, and say. Was
there any notable speakers that you got when you?
Well, yes, there was people. Every from H.B. Zachary to people with Brown and Root. I can't remember the leadership of some of those. Gifford Hill, the speakers. Again, you know, we were given our Texas civil engineer as president, and if I'd had something like that at A&M, you'd be able to recall who your speakers were and what all that was. The special initiative really, Jack, involves your dad.
Oh.
It was to bring the Texas section office from Austin to San Antonio.
Oh, okay.
And that was to house it at UTSA and be able to turn the Texas section office into a more business-minded operation to serve the membership from a business standpoint. My recollection is I wanted to make every branch. I thought I made every branch as a president. And again, the theme that I tried to look for was to try to see what the membership really was about. There were branches like we have today that struggle with getting membership. There were branches that were scattered all with membership, and they could maybe muster 10, 15 people at the best. So
It made it difficult to get together.
It made it difficult for them to really get together. I remember my conventions. I really enjoyed my conventions. I enjoyed the people.
Oh, yeah.
The people in ASCE were just throughout the state. They greeted you. They were. You felt like you were a big part of helping them be successful. And
Yeah.
just wouldn't take anything for that experience. Because I've had many great experiences. The Texas section meetings are nourishment for me. They give me both technical, professional, and spiritual energy, at which I think that it's hard to find that in trade associations, because you find either technical or you find either professional. Very few you find as much spiritual as you can get through the Texas section. So between the Texas section and A&M, that's where my heart is.